everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the surcharges report. To access this report, you can click on the Reports menu and under Financial, click on Surcharge Report. Please note, to have access to this surcharge report, your surcharge feature needs to be enabled in your database settings, and you also need to have the user role access to view financial reports. The surcharge report is only available in CSV, so on Excel format. This is due to so much data being available on the one report. You can filter by guardian, child, enrollment, or tag. You can select either one or multiple booking types. You can search by room. You can search by the surcharge name, or you can simply just search by a date range. If you would like the report to show inactive surcharges, you can simply tick this option. When you click Generate CSV, it will display multiple columns within the Excel document. So you can see the list of the particular surcharge type, the surcharge name, room and booking type it's linked to, the fee, the surcharge fee, whether it's CCS inclusive, if it's early drop-off or late pickup, your grace period and flat fee rates, whether it's active or not, the start date and end date of the surcharge, the date the surcharge was applied, and then it also lists the child and guardian's name the surcharge is linked to. When viewing the guardian's customer account statement, when a surcharge has been applied to a child's booking, it will display the child's booking fee, and then on a next line, it will display the surcharge and the fee that was charged. If the surcharge is not CCS inclusive, it will display a little asterisk star next to the surcharge, and scrolling down, you will see that the little star indicates that GST is inclusive on that surcharge fee. When system surcharges have been applied to a child's booking, the service will receive surcharge notifications. This will display and indicate which child has been provided with a system surcharge. Depending on the user role access, determines if your user role allows you to see those surcharge notifications. If you would like any further information on our surcharge feature or the surcharge reporting, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.